Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that we've seen why Tapsilog is so popular, let's get into making the beef tapa and the perfect garlic rice that completes this dish. Cooking the beef tapa, achieving that perfect sear. You have perfectly marinated your beef tapa. Now comes the exciting part, cooking it to achieve that ideal balance of charred sear and tender meat. The goal is a quick cook that caramelizes the marinade without drying out the beef. This step needs speed and high heat to transition your flavorful raw meat into restaurant quality tapa. High heat cooking, quick frying for tenderness. Beef tapa cooks very quickly because of its preparation. Since you slice the beef thinly, usually about 1/4 inch thick, it requires only a short time in the pan. The best method for cooking tapa is shallow pan frying or pan searing over high heat. High heat is essential here. You want to flash cook the beef, creating a slightly crisp exterior while keeping the inside tender. If the heat is too low, the meat will release its juices and end up stewing instead of searing. Steamed tapa tastes tough and chewy, definitely not what we are aiming for. Always use a large pan or flat cooking surface like a griddle. Add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, such as vegetable oil or canola oil. Heat the pan until it is very hot, almost smoking. To prevent cooling down your pan and steaming the beef, cook the tapa in small batches. Do not overcrowd the cooking surface. Lay a single layer of beef slices in the hot pan. Cook each side for only 1 to 2 minutes until the beef is nicely browned and slightly caramelized. Because the slices are so thin, they will cook through quickly. Remove the first batch, add a bit more oil if needed, and proceed with the remaining beef until everything is cooked. Cooking in batches guarantees that crispy, satisfying sear every time. Managing the marinade drippings, flavorful bits for serving. While you are cooking the tapa, you will notice savory drippings accumulating in the pan. This residue is concentrated flavor gold. It is a mixture of the marinade sugars and beef juices that have cooked down and caramelized. We recommend saving some of the reserved marinade juices from the bowl. You can use these juices to create a flavorful sauce after the beef is fully cooked. However, be cautious when using this liquid during the cooking phase. If you pour too much raw marinade directly into the pan with the beef, the heat will drop instantly. This mistake causes the beef to boil in the liquid rather than sear. Boiling the beef turns it tough, which defeats the purpose of high heat cooking. Once all the beef tapa is cooked and removed from the pan, you have a chance to turn those browned bits into a delicious drizzle. How to make the drizzle? Deglaze the pan. Add about 2 tablespoons of your reserved liquid marinade to the hot pan. Reduce the sauce. Scrape up the browned, flavorful bits from the bottom of the pan using a wooden spatula. Cook down. Let the mixture bubble and reduce for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. It should thicken slightly into a syrupy glaze. This concentrated glaze is perfect for drizzling over the finished tapa just before serving. It adds an extra layer of sweet, salty, and savory goodness that ties the entire Tapsilog plate together. This simple step elevates the overall flavor profile of your restaurant quality beef tapa. Bringing it all together, serving your authentic Tapsilog meal. Making a perfect beef tapa and aromatic garlic rice gets you 90% of the way to Tapsilog heaven. However, the final 10% involves essential side components that complete the authentic Filipino breakfast experience. Serving Tapsilog correctly means balancing the richness of the meat and rice with fresh textures and tanginess. It is about presentation and completing the circle of flavors on your plate. The essential egg, hearty, pairing. No Tapsilog is complete without the fried egg, hearty. This simple addition serves a vital purpose. The egg adds creamy richness, texture, and a beautiful visual presentation to the meal. You typically have 2 main choices when cooking the egg, each offering a slightly different experience. Sunny side up. This is the most popular, classic presentation. For the best result, Cook the egg until the whites are fully set but the yolk remains warm and pleasantly runny. This preparation is a textural game changer. Scrambled. If you prefer a simpler, firmer component, scrambled eggs work well too. Cook them softly, adding a pinch of salt and pepper. Scrambled eggs mix easily with the rice and beef bits. Why the runny yolk matters. When you slice into an impeccably cooked sunny-side-up egg, the warm, golden yolk flows directly over the beef tapa and garlic rice. The creamy, rich yolk acts as an instant sauce, binding the savory meat and the aromatic rice together. This mix creates an incredibly comforting mouthful that defines the Tapsilog experience. We strongly recommend cooking the eggs sunny-side-up to achieve this authentic, rich finish. Must-have condiments and sides for your tapa plate. The combination of the savory tapa, garlicky rice, and rich egg is heavy and rich. This is why Tapsilog must be served with fresh, acidic accompaniments. These sides cut through the richness, cleansing your palate and adding necessary brightness. To achieve that authentic flavor balance, include the following on your plate. Sliced tomatoes. A few simple slices of fresh, ripe tomato provide a cool, juicy contrast. The natural acidity and water content of the tomato offer a refreshing bite between portions of meat and rice. Sliced onions, optional. Thinly sliced red onions can add a sharp, pungent kick that some enthusiasts enjoy. If you dislike the strong flavor of raw onion, feel free to skip this. Vinegar dipping sauces. This is the most necessary accompaniment. Tapsilog needs a dipping sauce that provides a profound sour kick. The contrast between the sweet, salty tapa and the sharp, spiced vinegar is essential. Spiced vinegar, shuka, is easy to make and should be served in a small separate dish for dipping. Creating a simple spiced vinegar. Start with cane vinegar or white vinegar. Add fresh, minced garlic. Include thinly sliced chilies, like Siling Labillo or Thai chili, for heat. Add a small pinch of ground black pepper. Mix well and let it sit for a few minutes for the flavors to meld. Dip the beef into the spiced vinegar just before eating it. The vinegar brightens the overall flavor profile of the meal and enhances the natural savory notes of the beef marinade. You now have the exact blueprint for turning simple ingredients into a remarkable meal. Creating savory beef tapa in truly aromatic garlic rice, sinangag, is easier than you may have believed. Following the steps for marinade balance and careful garlic preparation ensures a rich, flavorful result every time. This classic Tapsilog breakfast is more than a meal, it is a taste of Filipino comfort food that you can master in your own kitchen. Whether you serve this during the day or at night, it promises a satisfying experience. Take pride in mastering this beloved dish. We encourage you to try this recipe, find your perfect balance of sweet and tangy flavors, and share your Tapsilog accomplishment with us. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.